So it's official. I have sold my tiny house to the South family, aka the Adventure Agents. It's sad to see her go, but it's very comforting to know that she's going to a great family. Now I need to prepare it for the move to their property. That means I got a lot of work to do. First, I need to clear the driveway so that this 13-foot, 6-inch tall house can fit through the trees that overhang their driveway. I also need to make sure the tires are loaded to their maximum pressure.
65 PSI is what we're shooting for.
I need to disconnect all of the utilities. And then I have to take it off its blocks. Once all of those things are done, it's ready to roll. With the help of my friend Travis and neighbor Al, aka Agent DB, aka DB Cooper, we're gonna get it there. Here we go. All right, it is time to get this house off the blocks that it's sitting on. So what I'm gonna try and do is jack up the front of the trailer first, get that up in the air just enough so I can pull those front blocks out. And then I should be able to lower the front down and grab the blocks at the back of the trailer. Here he is, my buddy Travis made it. This is the truck that's gonna be pulling this tiny house out of here. So he's just gonna back up here and hitch on. So you think you're ready to pull it out of here?
Let's see.
I think we're still gonna shoot for going right here. What are you thinking? Okay. There it goes. We're rolling. Those tires are looking pretty good.
Yeah.
We're good. Rope on these branches. Oh yeah, just bypass those. All right, we cleared the tree. Looking good, man. Woo. That was an interesting sound. It's flexing quite a bit. That's a pretty crazy grade change right there. But it's looking all right. Oh yeah, we're out. That's awesome. So how do you feel about it rolling down the road?
It'll roll.
Yeah, just gotta take it easy. It's rolling. It's on the way, man. Leaving now.
Oh, that's awesome.
There it is behind me. It's going good. I had some issues with the drone, so I don't know if I'm gonna get any drone footage of this, which is very unfortunate. Those tires feel like they got flat spots on them.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Looks like they're holding air though, so that's good. I was worried there was gonna be slow leaks in them or something, but everything looking good?
Good.
Sweet. All right, I gotta speed back. Go get my truck and catch up with them. Don't forget the GoPro. And now the real challenge begins. It's a steep hill going up that driveway. See how it goes. Oh, I missed a branch. Sorry, Patrick. Sketchy corners. Ooh, trees hanging over, but I think we'll be good. Travis knows what he's doing. Oh yeah, cleared it. And I think it should be no problem being able to create a path that the trailer can roll down, and it'll be low enough to where the pipe can just gravity feed into the tank.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's something
I can talk to you about all that later. We're gonna figure out how to get it down the hill.
All right, cool. All right, bye, man.
All right, bye. Whew, chaos. That was awesome. Holy cow, you're a magician. Yeah. Did you see any branches like catch anything up there? Or?
That'd be perfect.
Yeah. Okay.
They would break off and then fall off the road.
Yeah. All I saw was like smaller stuff. So.
There wasn't anything. The only thing was just that really mossy one that got caught.
Yeah. Okay. Woo. All right.
From what I could see.
Yeah. It's so much taller once it's on the road and like going through the driveway. I was like, oh my gosh.
Or it looks like it just swung around.
This one's got to go, right?
Yeah, just don't push too hard or it stalls.
Okay. What's up? Thanks for the saw, Al.
Yeah, that's a handy little thing.
Yeah, that's cool. All right, we got this tree cleared, and Travis had to battle some branches over here, but now that's kind of clear. He's gonna head straight down this hill here and go right between all these trees that the South's planted. They are the markers for him to follow to make it down here. Thanks, Al. Oh yeah. Much better. Yeah, it's very top heavy. He's doing good, going nice and slow. There's lots of bumps in this field, but as long as you roll over them slow, it's not gonna flip the thing over. Or so we hope. We've made it this far. Now there's kind of a dip right here where we gotta go. Tracker, what are you doing? You excited? You excited, girl? There's gonna be a tiny house here. Tiny house. Yeah. 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 Tiny house. So this is like level right here. It's, oh man. Yay. One thing I'm really happy with, the house is doing all this flopping back and forth, but I'm not hearing any cracking or like crunching. I put this whole house together with screws, so it should be very tight, and it is. It's, I mean, might be what makes it so like rigid and top heavy, but you know, it's probably just the nature of it being as tall as it is, but.
Left of it.
Nice job.
You did a good job.
And
Thank
that's
you.
what I was looking at. Is, you know. Yep.
This thing's ready to unhook now. Ball is stuck to the hitch right now. There it goes. That was really stuck on there.
Yeah.
Travis is headed out of here. You did a great job. Did you enjoy the show, Al?
That was great, and it worked out pretty nice.
Yeah.
I was kind of freaking out a little bit when I didn't see the crew.
Yeah.
Maple branches bother me.
Yeah.
They're heavy.
A little bit of snow.
Yep,
Yeah.
they will come down.
It sure looks cool.
It does look cool.
Yeah.